live again, everybody. It's Crypto Live early in the morning on August the 10th at 2022. And, boy, I just messed that one up. It's obviously too early in the morning. It is 7:35 a.m. Eastern Time. And I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope this stream finds everyone doing just as well in the meantime. I thought I'd come on early for what could be a very, very volatile day. We shall see what happens. We shall see what goes on. And let me real quick unmute myself and from Discord. So just in case anybody happens to pop in, I'll be ready to rock and roll. And got some different notes up and different reports up. We'll give it a few minutes for see if anybody would like to trickle in here, and I will do what I usually do, and I will make sure that I am live. And oh, there I am! Look at that! Look at that thumbnail. That's a beautiful thumbnail. What a thumbnail, huh? There's Crypto Ape. He's still up apparently. I did the exact same thing. I laid down and I could not sleep. My mind was turning 1,000 miles an hour. And actually, I was thinking about a lot of things. Besides, actually, a lot of it was had to do with the market and coming on early to stream. I knew I wanted to get up early, so I had that pressure, and I just couldn't fall asleep. So got up, created a new thumbnail, been doing some research, been doing some investigating, and so we shall see what happens. Ape carries a lot of the same type hours that I do, kind of a weird third shift, basically. But so anyways, we are going to kind of spotlight more of the stock market this morning than I usually do. I usually try to mainly talk about crypto, but and throw some stocks into it. However, I think this morning I'm going to talk a little bit more about stocks than maybe crypto, and then maybe throw some crypto into it. We currently had a nice little pump from Bitcoin and Ethereum real quick, and but now they're coming back down to earth. However, the Dow futures are up $63, and S&P futures are up $10, and the NASDAQ futures are up $43, with oil down $1.65 to $88.85. Boy, that's the lowest that I can remember for quite a while. So yeah, sorry, I was just reading some news. It's not really news. It's the same thing I read earlier. So, but anyways, yeah, we got some very important numbers coming out today. We have the CPI report coming out, which is very important. So we should that number right there is going to probably indicate how the market does for the day. I don't know what's going to happen with that. Get my portfolio set up with Ledger and 4 exchanges. Very nice. It sounds about like me. I am very spread out. DCA portfolio, AMC stock, S&P 500. Yep. Nice. The real Lamper Paul. I've talked to you before, and I did the same thing. I butchered your name. We'll just call you the real. What's up, dude? What's going on? The faces stop. LOL. You look like you're going in to blow someone. Hey, I don't know. It works for everybody else. I thought I'd try it. I don't know. One of those deals. Actually, I was kind of in a hurry when I was making that thumbnail, and I just kind of picked that picture, and because I knew it'd be easier to crop and to cut down than some of the other ones. And plus, it was kind of like, hey, I don't know what it's gonna do. We don't know what the market's gonna do. We don't know which way it's gonna go. I'm trying to help you, brother. I know. I usually, to be honest, I am one of the streamers that I usually don't do that. You can ask anybody. I usually normally do not do that at all. But I thought, what the heck? It's early morning. I never come on this early in the morning. So why not mix it up a little bit, right? Don't copy other, be original. I am original. I am actually very original, and there's really nothing to my stream that is a copycat of any other stream out there. So, anyways, we'll get past the thumbnail, and other than that, I was very proud of that thumbnail. I thought it was pretty cool. Uh, so, anyways, it's yeah, my stream is very I would say my stream is very unique. But so, anyways, we're gonna take a look at AMC and GME, as well as some other stocks that I know that some of my viewers have interest in, like Any, which is Spear, and Zella, some of the smaller cap, but with big potential, and AMC, GME. I don't know. We're gonna see what plays out here with the market and with the numbers that come out. So the thumbnail is the front door. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And the good thing is, actually, it's the first time that in a long time, or ever, that my thumbnail is probably being shown more now than ever because I am now finally have uh, met my goals to become a YouTube uh, premier streamer. So I have met all my goals, and I am now in the YouTube preferred program. So I'm very proud of that. Very proud of that. Finally made it. It only took me 8 months, which I'm really proud of, and I did it 1,000% organically, which I'm even more proud of. Not many streamers do that, but I'm very proud of that. So, anyways, back to the markets and what's going on. It looks like the futures are just kind of bouncing around, and we'll probably have a lot of that until probably at least until 8:30 Eastern time here when the CPI numbers come out. So I don't know. What do you guys think that? I wonder what everybody thinks that it's gonna do. We were at in June. I think it was at 9.1%, right? So I don't know. Was it May at 5 point something? 5.9. June was 9.1, I believe. And don't know. I don't know if I really honestly I look for the number to go down. Uh, I mean, the way that my small community, I know it's just a little bubble that I live in, but nothing is going down in my community. Gas prices have gone down a tick, but groceries and everything else, nothing like that has come down. So I don't know. We shall see. We shall see what the numbers are. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of research in and out here, guys. So very serious question. What do you want to be? Do you want to be a goofy, fun-loving, kind of non-serious guy? That's fine. But if you want to be seen as a serious crypto analyst, do the big boys make faces? We will pump up. Hold on 1 second, real. We will pump up, then dump, before then pump if the number is low. Yeah, I can see that. Back to your question, the real. Yeah, no, I want to be serious. I want to be taken serious, but I do want to have fun. I do want to be fun loving, and I do want to talk about a little bit of everything, not just cryptos and stocks, as we do. We always do talk about everything, and yeah, I'm for the most part. I don't know. You must not watch a lot of me in the. I'm always on in the evening, so I know there's two different types of crowds. So some people are unavailable or unable to watch me at night, and so don't get the full gist um, of it or whatnot. So I don't know. I didn't really think that a thumbnail was that big a deal, but apparently some people think it is. So, but it's all good, and everybody. Opinions are like assholes. Everybody's got one, right? So yeah, see, I do like to have fun. Yeah. Um, all right. So what? Apparently, the real needs to go back to bed and wake up on the other side of the bed because somebody crawled up your ass and died, my brother. I don't know what you got against me, but I have not done anything to you, and I don't understand what all the harsh comments are about. I'm just trying to have some fun and discuss a little crypto and stocks as well. So, no, you are not being mean, but I don't know. You don't have to go on for 30 minutes about my thumbnail at the same point. So, there are probably 4 or 5 other people streaming right now, and you are more than welcome to watch anyone you want. I do appreciate that you have chosen my channel right as of right now to watch, and you're more than willing, or more than hold on one second. Currently, I'm watching. Well, I don't know. I'm basically all of them at this point. I do want to see. I'm currently in any, which is Spear. I'm in options on any and Spear, and I do have Zella options, which I got a text from Squarefoot early this morning, and he said that he misinterpreted the conference call last night, and apparently Zella had some pretty terrible numbers. Is that so? That makes sense as why the why Zella dropped significantly after hours last night. We couldn't figure out because he thought that it did really well, and thought that it dropped on really good earnings, and was really frustrated with that. So that was the main reason. Thank you, sir. And that was the main reason that he was frustrated about that. So uh, I am Vader. What's up? Lordy. No wonder I don't come on early in the morning. I am Vader. You got two people that sit in here 24 hours a day. You're actually wrong on that because I'm not on here 24 hours a day. I am on here at night. So obviously you don't know who in the heck I am. I'm scared of the truth. Uh, okay. Bye bye. You got 100, just keep coming. If you got 100, go ahead and subscribe with all those hundreds. I'd love that. That'd be great. Jesus Christ, criminy. What the hell did I walk into this morning? People literally must have absolutely nothing better to do, you know, Abe? You're welcome. I thought I'd come in and have a nice, chill, fun morning, relax, check out CPI numbers, see what the market does, see how the. I'm really curious to see how the stocks react on market open. I probably won't be able to stay on a whole lot longer after that, but Charles selective reading, yes sir, you got that right. Though that real guy has been in before, but I don't remember him ever causing any problems. I don't know. Maybe he did. Oh, maybe the Vader is the real. I don't know. I can. The cool thing is, it takes them 10 seconds to make a new name. It takes me 1 second to block them. So, I think I got the edge on that one. And plus, if and when I have anybody else come in here that are regulars, they're mods too. So it's not just me. We've got a whole army. That's one reason I like to have an army, is because sometimes I miss stuff. Yeah, I'm really curious to see what AMC GME do, as well as Tesla, and I don't know, really across the board. Um, I've actually heard some really good stuff about Netflix lately. I don't know, which is kind of surprising after all the kind of turmoil they'd had recently. Um, and so anyway, gosh dang it, I hate that. Yeah, BTC's actually getting some pretty good volatility this morning, isn't it? So is it's trading right along with Ethereum. Ethereum's actually, boy, those two charts look identical. Once again, Ethereum was kind of starting to go off of BTC just a little bit, but they apparently have teamed back up. Oh, sorry. Volume was on. I think Squarefoot's going to jump in here in a little bit. He's probably getting ready for work. I forget that I'm an hour or two ahead of you guys. No, it was an ad. It sounded like a cartoon though, didn't it? It is kind of a cartoonish ad. 6 a.m. here, yeah. See, it's almost 8 here. It's kind of a good thing and a bad thing for you guys, because you guys can either, in your situation, you can either stay up for it or wake your ass up really freaking early for it. So, you got two options pretty much. Uh, my God, I'm in this Ethereum Classic. I think this is my 5th day, I think, of being in this Ethereum Classic trade. I don't know. I may be in it forever. I got in at 38.8 and my liquidation price is 33.8 and it's at 37.23. I'm down 10, almost $11. I don't know. Sometimes I hate giving up on them because I've waited them out before and I've ended up making money, but sometimes you just want to say screw it and get out of it and put your money in something that you think that might actually make some money. But take your profits from it and buy ETC spot long hold. Well, I'm down $11, so that's the problem. I'm not up. If I was up, then yeah. And see, that's the thing. I like ETC, but I like it more for a long term. I don't know why I got into it for leverage. I think I at the time I liked the price. Well, at the time when I got it 4 or 5 days ago, it was bouncing around between like 37 and 40. And I thought, ooh, I got it at 38.8. Maybe if it bounces up, no, actually 41. If it bounces, I can remember thinking, well, if it can bounce up to 41, then I can take a quick little profit and be gone. But that was at least 4 days ago. I don't know if it tells a. It probably does somewhere, but it doesn't tell the date you get in right on the order sheet. Are you in a BTC long or short? Oh, you're an algo holder too. I am. I am from way back. I got out of it, and now I've been putting back in the last couple months. I do all that on a different platform though. I don't do that on Coin or on Kucoin. Yeah, all mine spot. All mine spot as well. Yeah, I've decided. I don't know since Squarefoot's little mishap. Actually, it was before Squarefoot's mishap. I don't care if people know what I have. I'm just not gonna declare where I have it at. Nobody needs to know where I keep my crypto at. You got streamers like well, she's living on the edge, man. She living with Lucy. She takes her phone and she will hold it up to the camera and show you her portfolio, and it's like, oh my gosh, I just don't know if I'd be doing that because all it would take is one mistake for her to be on the wrong screen or to hit the wrong button, and it could give information that you don't want out there. And she's got she's pretty well invested, so I don't know. I just don't think I'd be risking that. I actually have my camera pointed just so no one can see my phone because I don't want to ever click on it, which I really don't ever. But in the case that I might, well, first of all, I don't want people seeing what I'm on, which it's nothing bad, but it's all 95% of the time it's financial unless I get a emergency phone call or text or something. But good lord. Well, don't watch, my friend. I don't know. I can't remember. I've been on early before, but I never remember having any kind of problems like this. Or drunk, or whatever you are. No, I'm not drunk. I'm drinking a Mountain Dew right now. You like Mountain Dew? I don't think I'm the one that's drunk. Yeah. Thank God I got, you know what lockdown. I don't understand your point, guys. I'm not sure what I did, what the purpose of this is, but uh, you're having an awful lot of fun when there's only a couple people in here. Wouldn't you have more fun doing it to a channel that had a bunch of listeners or a bunch of viewers? I feel like you're wasting your time. Oh, I know it is. Seriously, if I were those guys, I'd be doing it to a big channel. Why would you do it to a channel where you only got like two people in? That's freaking stupid. Go to a big channel where you can have fun doing it. Dude, I don't know. We've been bombarded. Told me that my thumbnail looked like I was sucking a big one and said that I was being immature and I didn't. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know what their deal is. Like I said before, like I just got insane. I don't know if you were in here, Square Foot, but I was like, man, I don't know what their deal is because how could they be having that much fun doing it to a channel? It's only got like two or three. I got four people watching. Wouldn't it be a lot more fun doing it to a channel that's got a lot of people in it? I would think it would be. It's the same guy, I think. Maybe one or two people. I don't know. Says he's got hundreds of them, and he can just keep coming at us. That's fine, because it takes you. You'll eventually run out, and then you'll have to start making them. And it takes me and my team literally 1 second to hit a button to block you. So this is actually kind of fun. I hope you keep doing it until you run out, and then you have to start making them, and that's going to take you a little bit more time. And then you're really going to waste your time. It's like it is like whack-a-mole. Boy, if they ever came in here at night, they wouldn't even get a chance to hardly say anything. Boom, gone. Boom, gone. Boom, gone. when there's about when we got about 8 mods in here, 8 to 10 mods in here, yeah, good luck. Ape like literally has them already blocked or already deleted before I even heard before it even pops up. I barely see it and then it's blocked, then it's deleted. So, anyways, I'm not really can't really remember what I was talking about, but oh yeah, we were just I was just saying that came out early this morning, so I wanted to see. First of all, I wanted to see what the CPI report was. And second of all, I wanted to see how that is going to affect the market at open. Anyways, I don't know. It's very discouraging about Zella. Doesn't sound like that's going to be fare too well for that stock anytime soon. And I think I'll have to look, but I think I'm not sure for how far out my options are on that. Probably not far enough. Well, it's one of my further ones. I got it through March of 23. I don't know. Guess we'll see what it does. I've only got 3 of them. I got, I mean, it's not life or it would suck, but I think I got like maybe $140 in it. Billy Bits, hey, hit that like button while you're in here, my friend. Oh, didn't get a chance. Damn. Oh, yeah. He's already used 7 or 8, so. I will. I had troll motivation. It's Billy Ticks. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Wow, the Dow futures are actually going up. Dow futures are up to $72. S&P futures are $11.50, and NASDAQ futures are up to $49. So the futures are actually going up. I don't know, man. I tell you what, if that, yeah, I don't have enough dry powder left over. I'd be buying me some Tesla. Especially if for some reason if it would happen to drop today. Oh lordy, how juicy would that be at like $800? Oh, I mean it's juicy enough at 850, but Tesla is one of those stocks that I know like in 10 years I'll be looking back going, man, I had a chance to buy that at $850 when it's worth about $5,000. S&P 500. This is going to be interesting. Did you see that Elon sold 7.92 million Tesla shares worth 6.88 billion? Wonder why he did that. Wonder what he's gonna. Maybe he's trying to buy something. He needed the liquid cash. Cause yeah, he's worth billions and billions and billions, but a guy like that probably doesn't have a lot of liquid cash. He probably has access to it. But I doubt he has a lot of. I think he ended up, or he got enough to buy Twitter. But I think he had an investor with that on that Twitter deal too. I don't know. I think. head to work in an hour and a half. Hell, those are banker hours. Oh no, that's only 8:30 your time. I keep forgetting I'm so much further ahead than you guys are. Sleep for 4 or 5 hours, rinse and repeat. Yeah. I'm in bed ending my day. Yeah. I'm not going to be up much longer than probably give opening bell about maybe an hour. Hour and a half, maybe. I don't know. We'll see how the market goes. So, speaking of kids, that's one reason I gotta get a little bit of sleep. Cause I gotta get my young and pick him up from school for his first day today. Ooh, that ought to be fun. Dow futures keep climbing. They're at $88. S&P's at $13.75 and Nasdaq's at 55. They keep climbing. These are good signs. However, it could play out like Ape said. See a little pump and then a dump. That damn autocorrect. You know that does that to me too. When I mean to put you, it puts I, or I think vice versa it does the same thing. It does that to me all the time. I don't know. I'm just gonna be really interested to see what the CPI number is, because the only thing that I know of that has gone down in the last month is gasoline, maybe a little bit. I know food prices and everything else is not going down, so could be very interesting. So I was hoping we would have some people maybe that I used to get on when I would stay up all night, like Tejas and Juan. I don't even know what Juan's name on here is anymore. What is it? Doge Juan or Juan Doge or something. I can't remember what his name is on here. He's so infrequent now. Who else? There used to be some other people who used to come in here really too. The one and only. My lord, he used to be so much fun. He used to be so funny. And Squarefoot, you remember Doug from England? He was the Bitcoin guy. Boy, he was sharp. He, I hated to see him not come back on here. I talked to him once, several months after he hadn't come on here, and he's a carpenter, and he was actually building a house, and just said he was just covered up, and that there's nothing wrong or nothing going on. He just was so busy he didn't have time for YouTube or the internet, and that he would be back on. But Lord, that's been 6 months since I talked to him, probably. But he was always a good talk. And I can't remember. We had some other regulars too. I can't remember who they were though. I think one's still around. I think he's just working a lot and probably has women issues, which he had quite frequently. Famous Cube's not. He's not been on for a while. Doge 1 has actually started coming back in a little bit more often. I think people just get busy or burned out or something and they just take a break and then. I guess actually I probably need to get used to the fact that there's going to be some rollover. You know, people are going to come and go and people are probably actually what's going to happen is people are going to come in and they're going to invest and the people that lose their money probably are going to lose interest and give it a big F it, screw it, I'm done, I'm out. Especially the ones that think they're going to get into crypto and get rich overnight and then they don't. As we know that quite a few people feel that way. And they are unpleasantly surprised when they find out that it's not quite how it works. Oh, I also saw that. Did you guys also see that Coinbase lost a billion? It was a billion. They lost $1 billion. It showed in their financials. I guess it was over the past year. The last year they lost, or last year, or the past year they lost $1 billion. Hell if I know. I mean, you ever see their fees? Good God. Before I found Coinbase Pro, they made enough off of me to freaking pay part of that. It's been a long time ago, but that's probably been longer than a year ago, actually. Dow futures at 102, S&P at 16, Nasdaq at 63. It's bumping pretty good. We got about 15 minutes though. It's gonna go. It's either gonna really shit and get, or it's gonna. These little green boxes are gonna turn pretty red. Yeah, I don't know how Coinbase loses $1 billion unless they've got their own investments or something. It's gonna be good. I think it is. I think that I think that a lot of people think that it's gonna be good. Hey, Ape, thank you. Thank you for the super chat. Much love, brother. Thank you. Much appreciated. Nice little early morning super chat. Get the morning started off right. Thank you. Awesome. AdSense sent me an email yesterday saying that I had one more piece of verification that I had to go through before they could send out my payment, and that was my address verification. And they were gonna send it through snail mail, and then I get the number and I type it into their website, and I was like, shit, I haven't been looking for it or blah blah. Anyways, I get back on there and I look, and they mailed it on August the 9th. I'm like, well, shit. Okay, I haven't missed. At least I haven't missed it. But it says, in the fine print, it says could take up to 3 weeks to receive. I'm like, good lord. I'm not kidding you. They put you through the ringer, man. And I had to enter in all kinds of tax information. I had to enter in. I had to do address verification. I had to do email verification. I had to do all. I jumped through all kinds of hoops. That's just linking my damn AdSense to my YouTube. That's not counting all the YouTube shit I had to go through. Guess they really want to make sure I am who I am. Hell yeah, every dollar counts, trust me. What's CPI? Oh, sorry, I missed that. Consumer Price Index. He is correct. It basically is an index that shows how the price compares of all your goods sold, like your groceries, your gas, fuel, groceries, fuel, all that kind of stuff, all your consumer goods. Um, Basically, it's an index that shows basically if it's up or down, and I think that's one way. Tell me if I'm wrong, but as far as I know, that's how they gauge inflation. So yeah, as far as I know, that's how they gauge inflation off of that. So we're about to find out. But they're probably gonna be late. By the way, what's up, EB? What's going on, bro? It's kind of weird seeing my own video when I actually, if I type something in now and I search, I can actually my video actually pops up. It's kind of surreal. But yeah, I got just a little bit of competition. There's like right around a billion pre-market CPI report people streaming right now. I figured it would be, but I doubt that's every morning. I know there's a lot that stream every morning, but I'd say this morning there's probably more than your average. Thanks, I see everyone in love saying CPI. I'm good, Lip, and you bought another bag of ETH. Hell yeah! I just don't think you can go wrong with Ethereum long term. I don't know what anybody else's opinion is on that, but I'm actually more. I think not necessarily more bullish on ETH than I am Bitcoin, but I feel like that Ethereum has more room to go high, for more higher bigger gains than Ethereum or than Bitcoin, and I guess that's probably because it's so much lower. Um, like if Ethereum goes to 20,000, that's like Bitcoin going to like 200,000. Bitcoin might pump very hard. If the numbers come out really good, a lot of shit could pump really hard. That is faux show. I know we only got 3 minutes, but I'll be right back, guys. I gotta get something real quick. Alrighty, tidy. I'm back. I don't really know how to find out the numbers other than like checking out CNBC or. I mean, that's what webpage I got on, but I looked on YouTube. There's nothing live or anything there. It says live, but you look and it's like March, April, which doesn't do us any good right now, does it? Doesn't do us any good right now. Well, I've got a second win, thank goodness. I was kind of wondering. Like I said, man, my mind was turning a mile a minute, and I kept thinking, gosh, what are the stocks going to do? What are they going to do? Should I get into this? Should I get out of that? Finally, I looked at the clock, I was like, fuck it. I've been laying here an hour, and I can't sleep. I'm going to get up and start. Uh-oh, look at that. We're pumping. We're pumping. Bitcoin and Ethereum are going off. What's anything else doing? Yeah, everything's taking off. It's 8:30. Numbers must have come out. Anybody see anything yet? Jesus, Bitcoin just went up like $500. No, I wasn't doubting you, EB. I believed you. I was right there with you. 875. So it went down just a tick. All right. That's good for the markets. Doge is pumping. Everything's pumping. Look at OP go. Who's in OP? Was that you, Ape? OP's pumping. It's up 12%. It's pre-market's open. Look at her go. Everything's taking off. SPY is at 411. Hold on, let me see if it shows. No, it's at 418. Up $7 in pre-market. I'm sorry, I forgot to check pre-market. 418.71. Would you say 416 was your number you were looking at? Spear is down in pre-market. Zella is down. Well, it's at $1.23. $4.17. Okay, so it's even beat your expectations. It will be interesting to see if everything holds these gains. This is some pretty dramatic gains. Bitcoin and Ethereum are already starting to pull back a little bit. Dow future, the futures are pulling back a little bit. Weird. That's just big money making position, yeah. Yep, here comes everything starting to come back down. Damn, AMC pumped. It's at 23.20. It's up 79 cents. GME is up 44 cents. I don't know. I feel like we're not going to get a real good screenshot until the market opens. I may be wrong, but I mean, we're already getting a hell of a shot, but oh, the futures that I'm looking at It was last updated at 8:26 a.m. So it's not even reflecting the boost yet. I hope so. I hope everything holds on. I hope we don't see just like a major pump the first couple hours and then everything falls off. I really hope that doesn't happen, but I don't think it will. I think it'll stay pretty steady most of the day if we can open good here. Yeah, apparently they're all delayed, huh? CNN, all the big networks are delayed right around the same. The official government site, U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, they don't even have their website updated yet. That's sad. $26.6. That is a hell of a candle on AMC. GME's forming a nice candle too. The hell, they all got good candles. What's Doge at? Doge made a nice little pump over 70. Okay, at 8:30, the Dow futures went all the way up to 284. So yeah, if that holds for the next 50 minutes, stocks are gonna come flying out of that gate. Gains are medication. Yes, they are. Hey, gains can make an ill body feel good, can't they? They sure can for me. Tesla's up $40 in pre-market. Amazon's only up $4. Netflix up $6. Ford's up 33 cents. Snapchat up 26 cents. Spear down 0.0005. It's not really doing much. Zella is down, hasn't moved since last night. Profits, profits, profits. Pay yourself, boys. Yeah. If I can get in. Oh my gosh. Dow futures are up to 406. NASDAQ 326. S&P 70. Put your seatbelts on. Man, those, if you guys can see any of the charts, those MACDs are just straight up like a rocket. So are the RSIs. How high can they go? How's your trades, Lip? Well, I got out of the BTC short a while ago, and I got in on BTC long. But I only put $10 in it. I'm up 20%. Ethereum Classic's coming back. I'm only down $3 now on that.
What's up?
What's going on, Squarefoot?
Nothing, man. HUD 8, man, is up 6% pre-market.
Sweet.
It just outweighed all my losses from Zilla.
Nice. Good.
It offset it, thank God.
Yeah, good.
Nothing like a little diversification.
Yeah. Yep, and that's why you do it, right?
Yep. Ooh, and it keeps going.
Damn, AMC's going too. They're all pretty much going.
I don't know what to do about Zella. I'm not really. My fear is that, you know, it goes back below $1. You know what I mean? Again.
Yeah.
With a 20-to-1 reverse, so I just that's a no-go for me.
Yeah, I understand.
I mean, I'm down. Down 12%.
Yeah, you got a lot in that though, don't you?
No, I mean, I got 500 shares, $600 something worth.
Yeah. See, I got like $100, so it's a little
Yeah.
it's a little different.
I mean, I'm down $89. You know, I just
Yeah.
So we'll see. I mean, I'm willing to take it. Honestly, 10% was what I was willing to risk, but you know, with it being after hours when it fell, and then pre-market right now, the volume's just not there for me to really get out where I want. So we'll see if it holds. If not, I'll just yank it out of there and throw it in something else.
Yeah.
No sweat.
Yes, sir.
Just glad to know what I'm doing now.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Or at least I think I do.
I've never seen this. My trading view's got little red exclamation marks, and I hover over it and it says data error. I don't know if that
What are you on? Oh, I see it right
just
here.
trading
Well,
view.
there's one at the top for me. That's
Yeah,
on the DXY. It says that for me.
I bet it says it all the way across the board. Probably because I bet it probably just can't keep up.
It says they're on the fix, slow loading.
Yeah, I was gonna say they just can't keep up.
Man, I look. Ethereum breaks 2100. Man, we'll see.
That's
I
what.
mean, we're at make or break levels. I mean, for confirmation at least on a lot of these stocks. Oh, it needs to get above 275. Ethereum Classic's just a fucking beast.
I hope I got some in it.
Do you? Good.
I have
I think I'm gonna
forever.
get some.
I've been in it for 4 days.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
one of those that
I'm
just
almost even now.
nice.
Yeah.
1800 Ethereum. Oh yeah, MACD just crossed bullish on the 1 hour for Ethereum Classic, and the RSI is at 69 standing line. God, I don't want to get the fuck out of Zillow. Fucker. Dude, it's crazy. Like, listening to the earnings and all that. I mean,
You said it sounded so good, but
it did, man. I mean, it's positive though, but like, it's just as far as moving forward with the company. You know what I mean? I mean, they've had to do a lot to get their company. I mean, they had to pay off a lot of debt, and there's a bunch of stuff. And I can see them missing earnings, but man, it says they missed it by $3 a share. That's a lot when you're only trading at $1.
yeah.
You know?
Could they could have made their earnings call sound just optimistic for business
Sure.
purposes.
Yeah, I mean, it's for shareholders. I mean, they want to sound as good as they can to keep people from selling out.
Right. To keep people like you in there.
Yeah. Which, I mean, the company itself, I mean, it sounds great. You know what I mean? It's just the guy who runs it is kind of a crook.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, I knew that going into it. It's not like I really care.
Right.
I was just hoping I could get a pump so I could sell it.
Yeah.
Because it does have the potential to go well over $50 if I just wish they'd get a new CEO or something.
Yeah.
That chart looks horrible.
Horrible. Yeah, it's brutal. $1.22. Well, I'm past my point where I said I would get the fuck out.
God damn, the Dixie's taking a fucking dive.
Nice.
USDT dominance is taking a fucking dive.
Damn, the DXY fell 1%, 1.2. This what's up.
Fucking go, dude.
I know. Hell yeah. What do I want to get the fuck in?
And I was just laying in bed next to my wife, and I was like, I can't say nothing. I gotta be quiet. Just listen to Lev.
And then all hell breaks loose.
Popping off. I had to come in the office. I'm like, fuck this. This is awesome.
Yeah.
When I was talking about crack earlier, I meant gains.
Right.
No, you're good.
Yeah.
It's like crack. It's like you be all tired, and all of a sudden you see a big old green candle. You're like, oh, I'm up.
Yeah, I know. I was just about to just close my eyes and just kind of listen to Lev. Fuck, here we go.
Yeah. When
It's
you
gonna
see
be a
something like
long
this,
war.
you see something like this, it's hard to stay quiet.
Somebody's buying shares, though, man. If you look at the order book on Zillow, I mean, oh, never mind. They're trying to peg it. They're trying to keep it still. I see it.
I'm sure.
5,000 shares on the bid and 3,000 on the ask. It's like 5,000, 3,000, 2,000, 3,000, 2,000, 3,000. You know, you can sell there. Ooh, 120. Ooh, she's falling.
Ugh.
Oh boy. I mean, I could try to just wait it out.
Yeah, but the closer it gets to that dollar, the more scarier than it gets.
I know. That'd be another fucking like 20%, you know.
Yeah.
Yikes.
It'd be like a 40% loss for me.
Dow futures are up to 442. This thing's gonna come out of the gates flying.
Let's go.
Fucking Nasdaq's 324.
No sleep for the fucking wicked today, boys.
Maybe not. Maybe not. I can't. I know I can't go to sleep right now. My God, my mind was turning earlier. Now it's really fucking turning.
Lep, I take what happened to us in the very beginning of this live stream as a good thing. It means that the YouTube algorithm is pushing you up near the top and you're getting hits.
No doubt.
They're seeing me, aren't they? That's what I was thinking
Yep.
too. Yep.
The more haters, the more you know, you can't have enough people, whether they be haters or people who like you.
Yep.
But the more haters you got, the more people that are watching.
Yep. And it's easy to take care of the haters, so whatever. It is what it is. And they must have taken my advice and moved on to a bigger channel. Because ever since I said that, they haven't been back in.
Right. Well, I was just trying to be quick draw McGee on that shit too.
Oh, you were? Hell, I was just barely seeing it before, and then boom, gone. I was like, well, took care of that one.
Yeah, I went back and read the messages that you hit or whatever.
Well, I was trying to be nice in the beginning. The dude was just being a fucking lecture nanny, dude. Like, get the fuck out of here.
I know, that's kind of the way I was. I was like, I don't need this morning.
Just another stomp, bro, man. They all do it.
You're killing the vibe, dude. That's kind of how I was like.
Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
Yeah. I came in here and I was in a good mood. I felt good, you know, and then all that shit. I was like, screw you guys.
He was hating on your thumbnail.
Yeah.
You ought to put your next one where you like just like looking up in the air in awe, touching your chest, like
Yeah.
grabbing your nips. It's like, come on in, boys. The water is back.
Yeah.
Well, shit. Now I wish I wouldn't have sold my Ford.
Speaking of which, Lep, if you put together some titles and send me some pictures, I'll design you a bunch of thumbnails that you can have on back order that you could just slap up real quick.
Okay.
When you want to go live.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I will. That would be awesome.
The whole market's pumping. Zella's now 17%.
Ouch.
Bummer. Well, luckily I did offset. I mean, I'm not all in on anything particular, so. Sphere's up. 73, almost 74.
My little bot is kicking ass right now.
I bet it is. Come on, Classic. Get with the game.
Oh, there you go. It's had a hell of a run up. It's up like 140%, you know, from like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
You ought to. What's in your thumbnail? You got XRP. Oh, you got the hashtags. Let's see. Does that? So did it? do the hashtags make you come in there, or is it the actual title?
I, I really don't know. I did the hashtags because that's what a lot of other people do. So I figured it did something.
No, the hashtags are awesome. And then also you'll notice that I just kind of ramble on like S&P 500, AMC, GME in the chat.
Uh-huh.
That helps with the algorithm as well because it thinks that you're talking about the stocks, which
Oh,
goes with
really?
your hashtags, and it helps push you up the rankings.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
So the more people are talking about crypto or stocks in the chat, it's
Yeah.
going to help push you up.
Okay.
Another reason why I wanted that dickhead to quit talking that shit.
Yeah, yeah.
Because YouTube uses that as keywords. What's happening in the channel?
Meet Kevin's video.
Gotcha.
His opening quote was is inflation transitory, or are we all smoking crack?
We're smoking crack.
We're smoking crack.
Yeah.
That's funny. Mikey K was like, "Hey, I want to hit you up when you get to Vegas." I'm like, "Yeah, totally. As long as you're not a crackhead." That was just like 2 hours ago. Then you popped in with the crackhead shit, and then this on the internet.
We're just all cracking up.
Yeah, sir. Holy shit! The universe works in weird ways.
I have to keep shrinking my Bitcoin, my Ethereum charts down because they keep topping out. Good problem to
Oh
have.
shit!
Great problem to have, but
You ought to put the term short squeeze in your title.
short squeeze.
Yeah. People are going to be looking for that right now because if we start to come up pretty fast, we are going to see some squeezes, like some big ones. It's going to be juicy because there's so many people short, and if we can push past a lot of where these people went short, which is, you know, potentially where we're at with the SPY.
Yeah.
And if we can, rip past that, then we're going to see a lot of these stocks start to squeeze out, like BBBY.
Goddamn! My bot just took profit on AVAX.
You taught that thing how to take profit? What's wrong with you?
Yeah, yes, sir. 5% on
Nice.
every trade.
Yeah, I think I'm on. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna give it till a market open. If Zella's, I don't know. Depending on where it's at, I think I'm on. I think I'm just gonna sling it off into Hut and give me another 200 or 300 shares.
Yeah.
By the way, what I meant by algo was my algorithm thought here. So, like on this AVAX trade, it just took a 5% gain on my trade.
Mhm.
It buys back the AVAX that I got, the 5% profit that I got. It buys AVAX and stores it.
I'll be back.
Really? Okay. That's pretty cool.
So it's building my bag with my profit.
Oh wow, that's awesome. That's pretty killer, actually.
I'm trying to develop something that's just completely automated, so it's just automatically just building my bags up for me.
Right? Yeah, yeah.
Because once we hit this bull market and we start fucking running and we're seeing 100x returns on some of our shit, dude. Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Let's fucking go.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Doge is still climbing. It's at 0.071.
Oh yeah, I got a little of that. I got $100 in Doge right now riding. What else do I have riding right now? I did have AVAX, that just sold out.
You had OP. How's it doing?
It's doing good. It hasn't hit my profit margin yet. Let's see, I got some Bitcoin, I got some Phantom, Solana, Doge, Beta, and Chainlink right now.
Nice.
Looks like I'm on an average of $5 up on every trade right now.
Very nice.
I gave my bot $1,000 to work with, and I split it up amongst 10 coins, so that's $100 a coin. So, yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, very cool. That's a really good idea. That way you can see how it does across the board.
Yep.
On several different coins. It's a really good idea.
And if it starts turning out to where it's like, holy shit, this thing's like, it's doing its thing, I'm going to throw some big money at it.
Yeah.
I was just looking at my Ledger Live for my Ledger hard wallet, and I looked at my portfolio and I was like, holy shit, my chart. Last October, I was up to $250,000, almost, just shy of $250,000.
Oh shit.
Yes, sir. If we can get close to all-time highs by the next bull run, dude, I'm not going to be DJing no more.
Right. Right. Bull markets are fun, I will say that. Bull markets are fun.
BTC is up 3.46. Ethereum's up 6.95%.
Nice.
Phantom is up 8.24%. Let's see here. Raven is up 5.04%. Cardano is up 4%. Kucoin's up 4.2%.
Damn, man. Yeah, everything.
AVAX is up 9%. Near's up 5%. OP's up 12% for the day so far.
Yeah, I see that.
Route is up 10%. Jesus Christ. I hope this continues. I'm really scared that this is going to drop off, though.
I know. It's kind of, I'm waiting for the pullback.
Right?
Ethereum looks... it's hanging.
Yeah, I got BTC on the 1 minute chart. It's mostly green. We're starting to pull a little bit down, though.
Yeah.
It just broke 2,400.
It's starting on its way back down.
Yeah.
All right. It's quoting a big school.
Nice.
20 grand.
Hell yeah.
That'd be nice, even though it'd drive me absolute fucking crazy.
Yeah, it'd be a big job, probably, I'm sure.
I hate big jobs, man. God, I hate them. I don't care what the money is. They never. I make more money off like kitchen backsplashes,
Yeah,
just
I'm
because
sure you do.
I can bust them out fast. I'm in and out. No worries, you know.
Right, right.
I just hate government work. I mean, it's just for me because I'm such a small, company. I'm not like it's me and one dude.
Right.
Of course, I'll have other people come in to help on something that big.
Yeah, you'd about have to, I'm sure.
Yeah, man, I drive myself crazy. I got 3 commercial jobs coming up before the end of the year, actually.
Damn.
Yeah, I got 3 jobs. Ugh, 3 jobs at them, and I'll make well, I won't make as much, but I'll clear as much as I've done the whole year just off those 3.
Wow. What's up, Trent? What's going on? Cool, yo. See you following AMC now. Oh, yeah. Yep.
Been there.
Yep, I've always got an eye on AMC. It's doing pretty good so far this morning.
Elk.
As everything is, pretty much.
So my wife she just messaged me again. Coinbase action required. Verify your info. 2 unrecognized open sessions. 3 from Venmo. Somebody's still trying to get in her shit, or at least they're trying to spam her with emails to get her to click on it.
Wow.
So be careful, guys,
Yeah.
because they are coming after everybody. Nobody is safe.
No, they aren't.
Damn, Bitcoin's almost at 24, or it did hit 24, didn't it?
It
24.
did.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been over 24. It's bouncing around here.
Ethereum's doing the same thing.
Well, that's cool.
See if they can hang on until market opens.
That's what I'm waiting on here. We've got 19 minutes.
What's cool is I bought a SPY call yesterday for November, so I'm hoping. Of course, I don't plan on it hitting my strike, but
Right.
I bought a 4.95 call for November 18th. But if we can get a pump out of it, I should make me good $20 off that today, hopefully.
Hell yeah. And we're seeing a little bit of pullback.
Yeah, that was a pretty good spike up. So
Mm-hmm.
To be expected.
Oh yeah.
I'm still up 3% though since I went back in the market. So we'll see.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, I'm up from July 26th. So. Was that a fart?
Nah, it was my scooter chair squeaked. Sounded like
Stepped on a frog.
it. Yeah, whoops. Got frogs in the house.
You got barking spiders.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So my wife yesterday told me that she a spider like fell out of the ceiling. She like panicked and ripped her shirt off at work.
What?
Oh, God.
I was like, I bet that was entertaining.
Get your
Yeah.
wife too.
I'm so glad she got in here though, man. That just makes my life easier for sure.
Oh yeah. She's your wife's a paralegal, isn't she?
Yeah,
Nice.
she's a criminology major. She always got that good job, man.
Nothing wrong with that.
Fuck, man. Having insurance is, I mean, shit. If it wasn't for her, it'd be a nightmare.
I understand. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
She's the only reason.
Getting your own insurance is not cheap.
Oh man.
See, that's why I work for the school district in the state.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Good move there.
Man, guy that works for me got home yesterday, and his dog went in labor in the kennel, and fucking somehow or another died.
And the dog died.
Yeah,
Oh man.
I feel so bad.
That sucks.
I don't know, man. It looks he's got two like mine, like my blue pip.
Did any of the puppies survive?
No, I don't think so.
Wow.
You ever notice? So, do y'all know Matthew Perry?
Yeah.
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 You ever see him and his fucking? I swear, like he has this huge fan base, and all of them are Luna Classic boys.
Really?
Yeah, every morning he does a live like Luna Classic to $1 sooner than you think. He's got
I
600 people watching right now. 684 people
Jeez.
just on Luna Classic. I mean, that's all he talks about.
Wow.
I'm good
But
for him.
yeah,
Yeah.
but dude, them Luna Classic boys. I mean, we all know. Remember when you put that shit in there? Remember that's when we got spammed.
Yes. Yeah.
There comes a lot of fuckheads come along with Luna
Uh,
Classic.
yep. That is true.
Damn it, I've been having so much trouble with my service. All of a sudden now I can't send any fucking text.
Who are you with, Verizon?
I use Cricket here.
Okay.
I've had them for like, I don't know, 8 years now.
We've got cricket here, and a lot of people use it.
Dude, I love it.
A lot of
It's
people like it.
AT&T's towers.
Yeah.
24,000.
pivotal moments here.
Yeah. Very.
Did we actually get an official number on the CPI?
I thought you said it was 8.75.
No, I was hoping that's a number.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
No.
That was expected. It was expected 875.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
I thought that was. I thought that was it. I took that as confirmed. Uh,
No, sorry.
no, that's all right. I,
It was
I
total
sh-
FUD.
yeah, I should have looked into it. Man, they still don't have anything on CNBC website.
Yeah, I'm checking BLS.gov, and there's still nothing here yet either. What the fuck? That's so weird. Why wouldn't they update their website on the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics?
Now, CNBC says Treasury yields tumble after July consumer prices come in unchanged from prior month.
Hmm.
And that's what I'm showing here. It says unchanged consumer price index in July 2022.
Yeah, well, that's what we're looking at is July. You know,
This
because
says
it's always a month behind.
consumer prices rose 8.5% in July, less than expected as inflation pressure eased a bit.
8.5. Okay, even better.
That's what CNBC is reporting.
Well, good. That's better than expected.
That's probably why we're seeing such the boost.
Yeah, yep, that's even better. Fucking A, let's go.
Yes, let's
Yeah.
go. Let's do it. Let's
Things,
do it.
things are going to pop here as soon as the market opens.
I think so too.
If not, my bot just got me in a whole bunch of trades because everything went green.
Come on, Zella, bring it on home.
Yeah, come on.
It usually does this though. You'll see a heavy decline in Zella, and then it'll pick back up a little bit, and then it's weird. It's like on the days that the market's trading like shit, Zella likes to go up, and then when it's trading great, then Zella goes down.
Oh, nice.
It's like a inverse fucking stock or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. I might just have to. Shit. I'll probably keep a little bit, but I think I'm gonna cut out like 90%.
Yeah, probably wouldn't hurt. I mean,
I just don't want to risk. I mean, if I want to make a fucking 100 grand, I gotta be smart.
yes,
I
sir.
can't be trying to risk all, being in that heavy and you know what I mean, wishing upon a dream on a
Yeah,
company like Zella.
yeah. That's kind of an expensive lottery ticket, so to speak.
Yeah,
I would definitely, if I had that much money in it, I think I would, kind of like you, I would like to be in something I felt a little more secure with.
true. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
All right, all my trades are all green. My
Good.
new ones.
Bitcoin's back over 24, looking good. On its way to 24.1. Ethereum at 1830. It's doing pretty good again.
Yeah, man, I really hope Sphere. If I hope Bitcoin can pick up enough to bring Sphere above $1. That way they don't have to do a reverse split. Because,
Yeah, I hear you.
because dude, it's honestly like if you paid attention to the prices and stuff and the volume, it doesn't really ever have a lot of volume. You know, um it's not as heavily manipulated as a lot of other stocks. Nobody's really paying attention to it,
Uh-huh.
which is good. So if it does get volume, heavy volume, you know, it's going to run pretty hard. Because I mean, for something that's only getting 400,000 to 700,000 volume a day with a huge float, and it's able to pump 6 or 7% in a day, you know, with that low volume. Could
Oh,
you
yeah.
imagine if
Yeah.
people came in?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd fucking rip.
Yeah, they're starting. Bitcoin and Ethereum are starting to run again. $24.13. 1843. We need those
Oh,
guys to pump.
yeah, Ethereum's up 7% now. BTC's edging on 4%.
Stay up there for about 7 more minutes.
It's looking pretty good.
Yeah, it is.
Big ass candle on BTC on the 30-minute.
Holy cow, yeah. Crazy.
Does it show anybody else watching? This only shows one. Is that me?
No, it just shows one.
Huh. It's odd considering the market.
I know, you think with the...
I bet you it's the CPI numbers title.
You think?
Yeah, because ain't nobody typing that in. Not any of the meme boys.
Did you know you can you can put up to 500 tags in your video?
Yeah, I've got them on there.
Okay.
I would
Keywords.
I would I would probably switch. I mean, I don't know. It seems like when you like if your hashtags, like you could put CPI in there. Can you change it while it's running, or do you have to cancel the
No,
video?
I can change it.
Nope. You
What
can
should
change it.
what should I change it to? Like uh
Um, I don't know. Are stonks back?
Or stonks back.
Is this the return of the meme? No.
That and your TubeBuddy will help you with that too. It'll give you like an SEO score.
Yeah, I saw that. There's a lot to that YouTube, buddy.
Yeah. You want to try to get as high a score as possible. That'll help you with pushing up the algorithm on YouTube. Once you get pretty dialed in and you can get around 80 to 90%, you can just copy and paste pretty much all your information, just change your titles and your thumbnail, and you're
Right.
pretty set. I wish I had more time to do YouTube stuff because that's this the internet and SEO. That's really my niche.
Right.
If shit pops up for me later on this bull cycle, man, I'm telling you, I'm gonna have a lot of free time.
Uh,
Yeah, right.
Zella earnings is down. Is down 100. It's under 168% below what was estimated. That is fucking terrible. And my buddy just showed me CPI didn't move. He's got the data on there. That's his thing.
Shit. Didn't mean to do that.
The latest numbers unchanged.
All right, go. 20 seconds.
Sell order. I got my finger on the trigger on Zella. Hope it's be some fucking shit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bling, 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 bling.
Uh-oh, there goes Zella.
There it goes. The RSI on Zella on the 1 minute's at 5.
Yeah. And there goes Zella down.
Yeah, it's at 121. Let's see. Anything lower than 120 and I'm scratching it.
Seeing a lot of pullback in crypto.
Yes, sir. I just went from all green to half red and green right now. Have any of you guys ever been to the New York Stock Exchange and actually like seen the floor?
I've been on the outside of it. I've not been inside.
That would be so fucking cool.
It would be cool. The day we went, they were not letting visitors inside, unfortunately.
I cut Zella.
Sorry, man.
Yeah, it's alright. Me and her wasn't working out, even though it'll probably go back up. But I'm cool with it.
You live to fight another day.
That's right. Now, will we continue to trend up on everything else?
Maybe you make it back in Spear.
I made back every penny I lost on HUD already.
Well, that's even better. I
Yeah.
forgot you said that. Yeah, good.
But I haven't sold it, so
What's that trading at?
it's at 258. I'm in at 235.
Nice.
I'm just debating. I want to get in more because HUT's one of those where it just really doesn't bother me to be in it, no matter if it trends down or not, because I know it's a pretty good company.
Uh huh.
I'm just kind of waiting to see if it's going to come down any or not before, because I really don't have time today to mess with it.
Right.
I got a lot of stuff to do. Oh, Bed Bath & Beyond came back down.
Really?
God, it came all yes at 960. Damn, 957, 955. She's dropping.
Damn.
Is as expected. Oh, Snapchat's going up. It's up 4%. That's one I've been thinking about buying. You know, I was trading Snapchat at like $80. It's at $10.
Wow.
Yeah.
USDC really pulled back. Shit.
Yeah, all those meme stocks are going to pull back. I mean, you know, just because, I mean, shit, man, people taking profits, they're all up significantly.
Yeah.
You know, not to say they won't continue to run, but I mean, you got to
Right.
have it pull back.
Yeah.
Snapchat's doing pretty damn good. Huh. What's DraftKings doing, man? It's about that time. I didn't think about that. 18
Yeah.
bucks.
They're getting ready to get real busy.
Up 55% for the month. That was my biggest loss I've ever had.
Wow.
Yeah, I had like 380 options or call options on DraftKings.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's like a $7,000 call position. Lost every penny.
Oh.
Sad part was I was actually in profit at one point on it. You know, pretty good.
Really?
Yeah, but at the time, you know, I was watching all this stuff, like, you know, all these people with 200 or 300 options making $1 million off of 5 grand. You know,
Right.
I was like, man, and it was pretty shorted, and it was man, it was if everything was working out, you know, and then the CEO came out and said that they were going to acquire another company, and the fucking stock just shit. I lost everything. It was one of those Reddit deals you see when people lose all their money. I've been there, lived it. Well, shit, Zella, what are you gonna do here? It's at 124 now. Let's see if it goes back up or not. I'm just gonna check it tomorrow. All right, Hut pullback to 252. It's only up 3%. Oh, 251. Bought another 100 shares.
Nice.
I'm at 500 shares of Hut. You know, I'm probably gonna, let's see. I'm debating on pulling a lot out of this Tide. I mean,
Yeah, I
it's
don't
not.
know much about Tide. That's one I don't know much about.
Well, it's tied to. It's a spinoff from BBIG, and
Oh, that's what I was
they're
going to say, yeah.
yeah, they're in a T12 halt for insider trading or whatever. So, and their stock hadn't been trading over the last, I don't know, week, and I don't know when that halt's going to be up. I don't know if it's going to affect Tide. As far as like if you know if it's going to come on over to this company, I don't know. I mean, it's cheap. It's only $1. I haven't really. I'm down from where I bought, but it's not terrible. You know,
Yeah.
it's just kind of been sitting still.
Well, if you're only down $1, I mean, if you don't feel good about it.
Yeah. Maybe I should just buy something that's actually sound for once, other than HUT.
Yeah.
Man, Bed Bath Beyond 930. God, it's down 5%.
It's kind of surprising on a day like today.
Mm-hmm.
To be honest.
Yeah, I just pulled it out. Fuck it. I'm untied too. So I'm at Sphere and HUT now. God, what did it sell it at? How the fuck did I go down?
Zell is $1.23. It's just kind of hanging there.
Yeah. It's right where I sold. I think I got it at 121. I mean, you could see some buying and see it pump back up for sure. But I'm just not willing at this point before I start seeing some pot. I mean, shit, dude, all the news they put out so much news, like on Google, and I mean, like, I get reports from Zella daily, like on positive stuff, and it's just, that's the reason I've been so bullish on it. But, I don't know. It's either being fucking manipulated by the CEO or shit, I
Yeah.
don't know. Ooh, HUT, 260, let's do it.
Nice, good. Yeah. I don't know. I got till March on it, so it's only thing keeping me in it.
Well, I'm just gonna pump it up pretty hard here. Okay, I got 800 shares of HUT. Let's go. At least I can sell some calls on it.
Yep.
Which I could probably use a little bit. Shit, I could buy some puts to try to save my ass a little.
Yeah. Hedge your bet a little bit.
Yeah.
Zell $1.27.
Well, guys, I gotta run.
Yes, sir. Hey, thanks for coming on this morning. Enjoyed talking to you.
Yeah, boy. I'll
You just give me somebody to talk to.
yeah,
You and Nate both.
we'll be watching. Let's hope for the best.
Yeah, I'll be in touch later. I might, especially after today that we've had, I may fire up the stream tonight, and then if anybody's around, they can take over if they'd like or whatnot.
Cool.
Or it'll be up if somebody wants to come in.
Oh, by the way, Oles at 89.
I saw that.
Yep, she's falling too. So we'll see. But yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
she's
down.
okay.
I'm down
Cool.
for sure.
All right, I'll be in touch. Have a good day.
You too, man. See
All
you.
right, later. Oh, you're fine, Abe. I'm probably not going to be on just a a long time. I gotta get up at, I gotta pick the boy up at school at 3 o'clock, so I probably gotta get up about 2 to get ready to go get him. So yeah, I need to take a nap. Figure if I can lay down by 10:30, that give me about 3.5 hours sleep, which is actually kind of good because that way I can go to bed early with him tonight. Because I'll have to get up early in the morning. We started school today, so I gotta get up early in the morning and take him to school. So unfortunately, it's a lot earlier. School's a lot earlier than daycare was, or preschool. Preschool, you had to be there by 9. School, he's got to be there by 8. Yeah, thank you. His mother took him. I was actually just texting her to see how it went. She said it went well. Or as good as it could have for her. It went great for him, I guess. But kids will be kids, you know how they are. But anyways, it'll be fun picking him up on his first day. But yeah, all right, YouTube. I think I'm gonna head off and take a little nappy nap. I've been up all night preparing not only for this, but just mentally in my head for the day to come. So I will be back later, and I'm gonna take, like I said, I'm gonna take a quick little nap, and and but I will try to fire something up tonight. Probably around 8 or 9 o'clock my time, and see if anybody's around. See if I don't know if what Fred's doing. Maybe Fred would want to, or you guys, whoever's around, want to chit chat or whatever. I'll just leave it up all night. That way, people can come in, stop out, come in, come out, whatever, and as they please. So, everybody take well and good luck trading today. And like always say, make smart decisions. That's what it's all about, right? Making smart decisions, and that's what we always try to do. So, you guys all have a good day, and just remember, there's no I in crypto.